Alright, this is Rustic Road number 92. So this is the first rustic I'm doing this season, 2024. It appears this is paved. Not all the rustic roads are unpaved. Now this may turn into gravel, I'm not sure, never been here. I'm guessing it's probably going to be paved all the way. And these are normally classified as rustic. I believe there's 126 of them in Wisconsin. But I think most of it has to do with the scenic architecture of the area. Looks like we're going to get into the woods here. I'm going to try to do a couple of these today. I've been kind of checking out the water levels on the river and that kind of thing because we have been deluged with non-stop rain. In fact, tomorrow's the 4th of July, and this is the first I've gotten out because it is so wet. It rains every day. Yeah, it's been a tough season. Beautiful day today, though. It's cool, about 70 degrees. So for this time of year, it's about 10 or 15 degrees cooler than normal. Not very windy, and not a cloud in the sky for a change. That's a nice thing. We're getting narrower and narrower here. This is pretty nice. Nice road. So typically what you do is you take a picture of the Rustic Road sign, which I forgot to do, but there's a sign on the other end here, so I'll take a picture of it. And I believe when you do, I don't know if it's 15 or 20 of them, you send it into the state and they send you a badge. If you do, I think 25 or more, you get a certificate. I know people have done all of them. They live in Wisconsin and they've done all of them. And I know they've done it on one of my trikes, so that's kind of nice. Last year would have been perfect because it never rained last year. It's about a 60-mile drive to get here, which was not bad. Wisconsin has more to offer as far as scenic beauty, I think, than Minnesota. I mean, we've got some pretty nice places like this, but Wisconsin has more abundance of scenic areas, I believe. Well, we ventured out into the open areas, and the road got a bit rough. And I think I'm coming up to the end of it here. So I have to look for the next rustic road near here. Oh, no, it just takes a left here. Okie dokie. So we'll continue on Rustic Road 92. And this is the end. So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of the sign and mark this one as complete. And then we'll head on to the next one.